Energy-efficient Windows Lafayette are essential for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy performance. With the right window installation in Lafayette, you can significantly reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. Lafayette energy-saving windows are designed to provide superior insulation and reduce heat transfer, making them a smart investment for any property. Energy-efficient windows. Lafayette is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. By choosing Lafayette thermal windows, you can ensure that your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Lafayette Low-E glass is a popular choice for its ability to reflect heat and reduce energy consumption, making it an excellent option for window upgrades in Lafayette. Double glazing in Lafayette offers enhanced insulation and noise reduction, making it a top choice for homeowners seeking window replacement services in Lafayette. With Lafayette insulated glass, you can enjoy improved energy efficiency and a quieter home environment. Window sealing in Lafayette further enhances the performance of your windows by preventing drafts and air leaks. Lafayette window retrofitting is an effective way to upgrade your existing windows without the need for a complete replacement. By incorporating Lafayette solar control windows, you can reduce glare and protect your interiors from harmful UV rays. Lafayette window efficiency is maximized with the use of advanced window coatings that enhance energy performance. Window energy ratings in Lafayette provide valuable information about the efficiency of your windows. By conducting window energy audits in Lafayette, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about window heat reduction strategies. Lafayette window energy savings can be achieved through the use of argon-filled windows, which offer superior insulation properties. Lafayette window UV protection is essential for preserving the longevity of your furnishings and flooring. With Lafayette window tinting, you can reduce UV exposure and enhance privacy. Window weatherproofing in Lafayette ensures that your windows are protected from the elements, extending their lifespan and maintaining their performance. Energy-efficient glass in Lafayette is a key component of any window upgrade. By choosing Lafayette energy performance windows, you can enjoy significant energy savings and a more comfortable home. Lafayette Window Services offer a range of options for improving window efficiency, from window coatings to advanced glazing technologies. Energy-efficient windows. Lafayette are achievable with the right combination of materials and installation techniques. By investing in Lafayette window heat reduction solutions, you can lower your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Lafayette window UV protection is an added benefit of energy-efficient windows, providing peace of mind and enhanced comfort.